Aiden, you have what are you doing with Granddad's pen? Huh? Let me see. Put it in your toesy. There you go. What is that? Yeah, you having fun with my pen? Huh? You're nothing but you little cucaracho. Yeah. Give me my pen back. You better put my pen back in my pocket. Put it in Granddad's pocket. Good boy. Very good. Oh, put that pen back in my pocket. You better put that pen back in my pocket. Right. Good boy. Huh? What are you doing?